Welcome to XelivoStory. I'm Harshit, and this is where your words find their voice. Today, we're exploring a skill that's simple but powerful: how to write an article. Whether you're writing for work, personal branding, or just for fun, writing an article may seem basic, steps to help you get started and stay on track. Big ideas like LinkedIn. But in our rush to chase strategy and innovation, simple skills like article writing often get overlooked. Whether you're a content professional or a business leader, the ability to clearly express your thoughts in an article is invaluable. Sure, you could outsource it, but writing your own piece gives authenticity and builds your personal brand. Define your purpose. Before writing, a simple 5-step guide about what your article is about and why you're writing it. A strong focus helps you avoid going off topic. A working title can keep you grounded. For example, How Product X is Revolutionizing Y Industry. 2. Know your audience. Understand who you're writing for, their background, tailor your interests, tone, depth, what they already know. Create an outline. Organize your thoughts with an outline. Subheadings or bullet points work well. At minimum, ensure you have a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. Start writing and keep reviewing. Write your draft section by section. Review as you go to stay aligned with your purpose and audience. Make sure sections connect smoothly and reinforce your main idea. Edit thoroughly. Check for grammar, clarity, if you're using visuals, ensure they support your content. Getting feedback from others, especially someone in your target audience, can be very helpful. Bonus tip: for online articles, consider SEO basics like using relevant keywords, but focus first on clarity and value. In short, know your purpose, know your audience, organize your thoughts, write with clarity. If you found this helpful, I'm Harshit. Don't forget to like, the next story, and subscribe.